Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Quick CMS on Debian version 11.3. Quick CMS is one of the easiest and ideal choice available on the internet for beginners who are looking for made simple websites. A basic understanding of HTML and CSS is needed to design the sites. First, I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next, I will install for the Quick CMS. The Quick CMS installed before we have need for the LAMP setup. I have already installed for the LAMP setup. Now I am going to start the Apache web server using systemctl command. Next, I am going to status check from the Apache web server. The Apache web server can be active state. Next, I will install for the PHP dependency modules. Now I am going to create the new database. First, I will go to the MySQL database. Now I am create the new database. The database name is Quick. Next I am use the Quick database. Next create the user from the Quick database. Next grant all privileges from the Quick database. Next flush the privileges. Then exit from the Quick database. Next I am going to move to the Apache home directory. Now I make the new directory from the Quick. Now move to the Quick directory. Next I will download the Quick CMS for using following commands. Next extract the zip files by using following commands. Now give the ownership and permission to the Quick directory. Next list the directory. So I have used for the long listing files command. Next I am going to give the permission for the database directory. Grant for the full permission. Next, long listing the directory. Next, I am move to the database directory. Now I am open the PHP configuration file. Now I am enter the login email address and password. Then save and exit. Now I am going to create a virtual host for the quick CMS. Enter the virtual host server name and document root directory. Next, disable the default site access. Next, enable the site access. Next, enable the rewrite modules. Once it is completed, next restart the Apache web server using following commands. Next, go to the host entry file. Enter the IP address and server name. Then save and exit. Again restart the Apache web server using systemctl command. Now I am going to browser and ping the domain name. Then it will be open home page for the quick CMS. Next I am open the new tab and type the URL for the admin page. Now I am going to log in. So enter the email address. Next enter the password. Then accept and login. Then it will be open for the administration panel for the quick CMS. With this, the installation of quick CMS comes to end for the Linux Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.